your girl. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I am unboxing or doing a full unboxing and try on of the Glamlite and Lord of the Rings PR box collection. I got the entire collection. So before I jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's hop into it. So I am a huge fan of Lord of the Rings. I've seen all three of the movies. I've seen The Hobbits. I have like Build-A-Bear, Gandalf. I even have the movie on DVD. I've purchased it multiple times. I've watched it multiple times. I will continue to watch it. So when I saw that Glamlite was doing a collab with the Lord of the Rings franchise, I was like, yep, gotta have it. Got to have it. And I got it. So this is the PR box. Everything came in this. So beautiful. I'm keeping this. Hopefully my sound is good using a new mic, but I am keeping this box and it'll be somewhere in this room. And I took the items out already because I did a short, so I'm just going to show you what the inside of the box looks like. So inside of the box, it has like the entire like Rohan, the Shire, just like the entire map of Middle Earth. So that was cute, and I really like that they did that because you have Gondor, even the White Mountains. You have basically everything on here. You can just go through and look and see, and it's even down below. I know the lighting probably, washing it out a little bit, but even down here. So very cute. So this particular collab focuses on the first movie of the trilogy, The Fellowship of the Ring. So just, giving you a little history, a little tidbit if you're not a Lord of the Rings fan as much as I am. So first things first, we're going to get into this palette. This is the Lord of the Rings Middle Earth 20 color palette for face and body, and it opens up to the palette like this. To tell you the truth, I'm not getting rid of any of the packaging. Everything is going to go into the Lord of the Rings PR box. So again, this is what the palette looks like. These are the shades. The good thing about it is these colors definitely mimic and represent the movie very well. Comes with a mirror. Since I always do my eyes first, I feel like we should go into swatching this palette and using it. So I'm not really sure of the eye look that I want to do, as if I'm ever sure. So we're just gonna thug it out. I think we're gonna take Samwise. Let's try Halo. So it's not as even as I want it to be, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take Mary and kind of combine them together. I kind of wish I didn't do that. I think I want to deepen the halo, so I'm gonna use Boromir right here. I don't know if I like this because I'm not used to doing a halo, but I'm gonna finesse it because I don't want to wipe it off. So when I say trust the process, I'm telling myself that. So I'm hoping that I do not have to spray the shimmers, and I'm thinking of using the Shire just to keep in theme with the green. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's very creamy, like a putty texture. Takes a little bit of elbow grease. I mean, the eye look is cool. You know, I'm just not big on color, so user error. But I just want to clean it up a little. I think that'll definitely help. Okay, so you may notice that my eye look may look a little different. To be honest with you, I was not feeling the halo look, so I took that off and redid my eye look. It is so much better to me. I am not a halo girl. I need to practice on that. It just was looking a little crazy, and then Jason told me I look like a character from off of Star Wars. So I definitely needed to redo it. So I want to go back into the palette though to add some shadow in my lower lash line. Just, you know, a smidge. So I think I want to use the Samwise or either the Boromir. So I think Samwise is pretty enough. If I were going out late at night, I think I would use the Boromir, but I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm also gonna add Rivendell in the inner corner. Oh, okay. It's very golden compared to the Shire, but I feel like it blends really well. My allergies are acting up, so my eye is getting watery, but we're gonna make it through. Now we're gonna move on to the highlight. This is the One Ring highlighter. This is very blinky. Ooh, this is golden, but it has more like a glittery texture. It's not like very smooth, but we're gonna use it lightly. Let's see. One swatch. Oh, that's a lot. Damn, that's a lot. Yeah, it's coming out very glittery. I don't too much. I don't like that. No, I don't like that. It's not my cup of tea. Okay, so let's look at Rivendell's lip kit. This one is the lip gloss and lip pencil or lip liner. Let's swatch. So this is the lip gloss. So the packaging is pretty. It's kind of lightweight. And then you have the lip pencil. It's like a matte, so you're gonna have to really warm it up to the skin. But this is the color. Then the lip gloss. Let's see. That was a horrible swatch, but that's what the lip gloss looks like. Now let's look at and swatch Eye of Sauron's lip kit. So this container reminds me of the Fenty container, but this one isn't as heavyweight as the Fenty one. So the lip pencil is a brown and it's also matte, so you gotta warm it up. That's what it's looking like. This is the lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick. It's pretty. I really like that. Thought it was gonna be a little bit more bolder, but you know what? It does kind of look like the fire. I'm liking that. And then the gloss. You see what's on the gloss? The packaging? That is pretty. I like that. The gloss has like glitter shimmer reflex in it. So I think for today, I want to do the Eye of Sauron. So the lip pencil is not a super dark brown, but it's just right for me, and I feel like it'll pair well with the lipstick. Let's top it off with the gloss. So I like this lip combo together. It's not really a shade that I would necessarily rock for myself, but I can get used to it. And let me show you the Evermore lip treatment kit. It comes with the lip mask, which I showed before. And I just want to show you the component and how it comes out. So it's like not a thick consistency, but it has a slight like minty scent, which is cool. But I feel like once you apply this, it won't leave that sticky film. And then the lip scrub. I always could use a lip scrub. And this is what it looks like, this color. It doesn't really have I'm dropping stuff. It doesn't really have a scent, or it may have a scent, and my nose is just, not there since my allergies are acting up. Also, I forgot to show you guys the makeup bag that comes with the collection. It is very durable, faux leather. So basically this is the door to Bilbo Baggins' house in the Shire. And when you open it up, it has keep it secret, keep it safe. And that is what Gandalf tells Frodo in the first trilogy. So, that's a nice touch. And then the actual opening compartment, it has a strap. And again, it's just showing the map of Middle Earth. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Glamlite and Lord of the Rings collection. Do you have any of these items? Are you going to order any of these items? Are you a fan of Lord of the Rings? Let me know down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.
Your girl.